Welcome to StaceTime with Stacika. Today we'll be doing a video on how to achieve this look. So first of all, you'll need leave-in conditioner. You'll also need hairpins, and you'll be needing this hair net. Now the net has to be very thin, very fine. You'll also need styling gel, a spray bottle, you need a wide tooth comb, and a comb with fine teeth or a medium tooth comb. You may also need an edges brush, or you could just use a regular toothbrush, and you'll need a hair tie or a ribbon, and we'll be using a blow dry as well. So I washed my hair yesterday. I only used leave-in conditioner after I washed my hair. You have to make sure your blow dryer has this comb attachment as well. It's very important. Just take one section, unravel it, and spray it with water just to get it damp. And I'll be saturating it with leave-in conditioner. Now I'm using leave-in conditioner because I don't have a heat protectant spray. If you have a heat protectant spray, it will be very important you spray your hair with the spray rather than saturate so much with leave-in. So I'll just detangle it a little bit with the comb before I proceed with blow drying. Now make sure you're on the cool setting. You don't want it to be hot. You don't want heat damage. Blow drying isn't necessarily a bad thing if you don't do it often and if you don't use it on the hot setting. So here I've stretched my hair. You can see that it's dry and it's stretched. So I'll just twist it so it doesn't go back to being poofy because of humidity. And I'll basically just repeat this all over my head. I have 8 sections in total, 4 on each side. Now you might be wondering why I'm not using a heat protectant. Well, because I don't have one and I'll get one soon. I don't really blow dry as often, and also why I'm using leave-in so much, because leave-in generally contains silicones. Now we tend to bash silicones in the natural hair community sometimes because of various reasons, but silicones aren't that bad. They are a key product in heat protectants. They help protect your hair from heat. So if you don't have a heat protectant spray, you could use a leave-in conditioner that has silicones inside. Silicone is any chemical that ends with cone. So when you read the ingredients list, you'll find it. So its example is dimethicone. So now we are done. And I'll just unravel all of the twists. Look at that volume, guys. So I'll just spray the back of my hair with water and then apply the gel to the hair, just using my hands to smoothen the back of the hair. And then I'll be using the comb, the medium tooth comb, to just brush it up. And also do the same to the sides, each side of my hair really, front, back, left, right. With the front, I need more space to concentrate because I don't want the hair to be jumping up when I form the bun. So I just tied the back and will concentrate on the front sections. Just doing the same thing really, spray, gel, and comb to smoothen. Now when I'm done, I'll take the string. You could use a shoelace even. You could use a band, anything that really works, and just tie it around your head. You have to be gentle with this, but also strong enough so that the hair is well tied. Tight, but not too tight. You don't want to get dizzy or you don't want to have headaches, but you want the style to be secure. I'll just wrap it around and tie it at the front. So just divide the hair that's tied to front and back, and divide the back in 2 sections. So what we're going to do basically is we're going to twist the hair. So just spray it a little and add some styling gel. I'm using Eco Style. You could use any gel you like. Just smoothen it over the hair it will just twist it. But make sure not to twist tightly. We want to twist loosely so that it has bounce and volume. And we'll just tie with a hair tie at the end. And we'll basically repeat this on the other side, and we'll do the same thing to the front. What we do is we pin the end of the twist and then we pin the center of the bun. And we do that to all of the sections, all of the twists. Just pin to the twist and pin to the center of the bun. So we're done, but we're not done. We need to make this better. So we just loosen the twist a little bit just to create more volume. And now we take the net. Now the net helps us to mold the hair and keeps it in position. So we just tie it around and then we pin it at the back. Now as you're tying the net around, you just want to mold your hair, manipulate it. It's been secured by the twists, but still be gentle. But because of its poofy nature, we can easily mold and manipulate it how we like. So when you get your desired shape, just wrap the net around and then pin it to secure it. And we're basically done, but we just need to add more to this look. It's a bit too simple. So we'll be doing the edges. Just apply some gel to the edges and we'll just comb it into position. If you don't really do your edges, you can skip this part. You can also apply gel to the front of the hair if it's sticking up. And just comb into place just to make everything look better than it already is. You want this bun to be sleek. And we're done. Look at the final look, guys. I hope you really like this hairstyle. It's very simple to do. Well, it's a bit time consuming, but the good thing is when you sleep on it and you wake up, you can easily just retouch it using gel. Just mold the bun back into shape. It's not that hard, guys. And it's really, really classy. You can wear it to occasions, be a beautiful wedding guest, go to church with it, class, anywhere really. And I hope you really liked this video. I hope you give this style a try. It works really well on hair types 4 hair. My hair is type 4A, type 4B, a little bit type C at the back. It'll really work well for type 4 hair because type 4 hair has that volume to make the style look great. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.